Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're cooking one of my all-time favorites. And this is a favorite whether I'm watching a football game, I'm at a tailgate party, or any kind of party for that matter. And we're cooking chicken wings. We're starting out with Kirkland organic chicken party wings. We're cooking them in the air fryer, and I like mine with medium sauce. I'm going to make up some of that while they're cooking, but initially I'm going to season them with Lawry's Perfect Blend seasoning and rub for chicken and poultry. And you can eat them just like that without the medium sauce. They're super good. But stick around, see how we make these. Super easy air fryer recipe. Anyone can do this at home. Okay, so we have these out of the package on a plate, and we're just going to sprinkle generously a nice coat of this rub. And I want to get both sides of the chicken, so we're going to put a coat on there. We're going to flip these all over, and we're going to coat them on the other side. And while I'm doing this, I've already started. We're using, as I mentioned, we are cooking these in an air fryer. I have a Nuwave Air Fryer, and that is preheating at 350 degrees. And we're going to cook these for a total of 25 minutes. We're going to cook them 12 and a half minutes on one side and flip them over 12 and a half minutes on the other side. Then we're going to take them out. So we'll get them in the air fryer just a second. Okay, so our Nuwave Air Fryer has preheated. We're going to go ahead and get the chicken wings in here. And we're just going to put them in, leave a little bit of gap in between each one. Move these around just a little bit here. And there we go. We're going to set them back in here. We're going to set these to 350 for 12 minutes. Actually, I can't go 12 and a half here. I wanted to go 12 and a half, so I'm going to go 12 on the first round, 13 on the second round. And so 350, 12 minutes, click start, and we'll be back in 12 minutes. Okay, as I mentioned, I like my chicken wings about medium, so we're going to make our own medium sauce. I have Kerrygold Irish butter here, so you can use any butter, but the butter thins it down a little bit and just takes a little bit of the kick off of it. My wife likes it better that way, so we're just going to add some butter. We're going to melt this in the microwave. Once it's melted, we're going to add some Franks Red Hot. And basically you're going to add this to taste. If you like it a little stronger, then add a little more. If you like it a little less kick, then add a little less. Or you could use Frank's Red Hot just by itself. I would warm it up a little bit because you want cold chicken wings. So we're going to melt this in the microwave, add some Frank's Red Hot, enjoy our wings. Okay, so we're halfway through. 12 minutes is up. I'm going to pull these out. Look at how those are starting to crisp up there. Look at those. Just delicious looking. We're going to go ahead and flip these over. I would recommend using some sort of utensil to flip these because they're hot and you don't want to burn your fingers. But just flip them the best you can. I feel like I'm riding the struggle bus here, trying to flip these. Because with an air fryer, it's basically cooking from above with the fan. So you see how the underside gets, it's pretty moist yet, so you want that crisp also. Alright, we got these flipped. Let's get them back in here. And let's program this guy for 350. And we're going to put it in for 13 minutes. 12 on the first round, 13 on the second. So we'll be back in 13 minutes. See how these taste. Okay, we have the chicken wings. I took them out, put them on a plate, and let them set for about 5 minutes just to cool down just a little bit. But take a look at those. Nice, crispy chicken wings. That crispy skin, Look at that. Look how nice and juicy those are. And have the melted butter. Basically, with our mix, like I said, we're gonna add Frank's Red Hot to taste. I'll make this about a 50-50 mix. Let me just stir this up a little bit with the butter. Now in a restaurant, they're going to pour this in a pan, they're going to throw the chicken wings in there and just toss them. But you can dip them and taste them just like that, or you can drizzle, I like drizzling it over the top. Just kind of do that type of thing and we'll taste it. So let's give this a try. Just that little piece of skin. That is nice and crispy right there. Look at this. This is about to be man, that is delicious right there. Let me tell you, these are the best air fryer chicken wings right here. If you cook them just like I said, like you can season them however you want, but if you make them, enjoy them, these are good. You can never go wrong with chicken wings. Thanks for tuning in to my channel. Please click the little thumbs up button, like my video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click that little bell, you'll get notifications when I post new videos. And thanks for tuning in. We'll see you soon.